how to make money on Freelancer as a legal document writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform or the business owners. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to find or to hire a legal document writer, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go to search by skill. Then I'm going to find the skill I'm searching for, I will just go to skills categories. Then I'm going to wait for the categories to load. Then I'm going to search for the skill I'm looking for, and then I'm going to see the freelancers or the profiles of the freelancers who are doing this skill. So let's give it a few seconds to load, and here we have all the categories. So let's go past the websites category, websites and IT. Here we have the writing and content category, design, media, architecture category, data entry, engineering, sales, business, accounting. So this is the category we're searching for. We need now to find legal document writer. Let's find the letter L. Here we have E, I. So this is L. We have legal analysis, legal assistance, consultation, research, review, translation, coaching, science, security, and order management company. So here I think the closest thing to legal document writer would be legal consultation or legal assistance. So let's go with legal assistance. That's the closest thing to what we're looking for. So here, hire expert legal assistants for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. So here, click on see more legal assistants, and here guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, where you're going to showcase your skill to the visitors of this platform. So for example, if let's check this one's profile, let's give it a few seconds to load. And guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, how you can drop a profile picture, a cover photo and a profile picture as well, how you can enter your hourly rate, and how you can have those verifications, all of them in check, because these verifications will help you gain more trust and credibility in the client's eyes and will facilitate hiring you. Also, I'm going to show you how you can drop a decent description for your profile, and also I'm going to show you how you can enter your portfolio as well. And the portfolio, guys, is very important. It's what makes the clients hire you in the first place, because when clients check your portfolio and see that you're doing a great job, then they will hire you immediately. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. Let's go back, and here click on earn money freelancing, and then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my username, my password, then login. Give it a few seconds and you will be redirected to your dashboard, where you can control everything about your profile. So here, this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile, and by going to your top right you can see your account, You can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. And when it comes to your finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, you can check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. And after you're done with all of that, then let's go to view our profile. It's where we can make a lot of adjustments to the profile. So here, as you can see, the profile is very empty. So let's start by editing our profile in here. And the first step is to verify the email. As you can see, email verification required. Then you move on to drop a profile picture. You cannot work in the platform without a profile picture, because guys, no one will accept to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then you move on to drop a cover photo as well. It's better to have one. Then you proceed to the verifications, and here make sure to be a member or to join the elite group of the best freelancers, and also verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method as well, your phone number, and verify your email, and also connect your Facebook account too. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate and enter your professional headline, then enter your summary. And in the summary, make sure to enter a great description where you're going to talk a little bit about yourself and talk about your skill, talk about the years of experience that you've had, and talk about why did you choose that particular skill. After that, you move on to choosing your skills. So here, let's remove this one, let's remove these ones, and here let's enter our skill, legal document writer. Let's remove write, let's remove document as well, and here we have legal research, legal writing, legal assistance, consultation, legal translation, analysis, review. So those are all the skills that you can perform. Then click on save to save those changes. After that, you proceed to drop in your portfolio. Then it's time to make some money. So go to browse in here, click on projects. Then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs and you'll be able to apply for them. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.